Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through the Selar affiliate program. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually start making money through Selar, how you can actually become an affiliate marketer by helping products, businesses to advertise their stuffs around and get a commission from it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys all about Selar, how you need to get started, so how you can actually earn money through Selar. And in case you've never heard of Selar before, Selar is simply a platform where we have so many businesses that advertise their product, so many teachers, lecturers that sell their courses. So you're simply helping them to sell this product to get a return from it. So in case you're actually joining my channel for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I actually upload daily videos about money making, business strategies, business ideas, so many content. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop into the system. Okay guys, as you can see, we're now in the system. So this is the Selar main page. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link to the main page and also the link to the affiliate network. Actually, I'm going to be teaching you guys first of all how to register, and then I'm also going to teach you guys how to register again for the affiliate marketing. Okay, so first things first, you want to get your Selar account. It's very important to have a Selar account. Don't just hop into becoming an affiliate marketer just like that. It's better to actually have a Selar account and then you become an affiliate marketer. It is the best. Okay, so what you want to do right now to register is to scroll down and click on get started over here. Okay, so you just want to enter your username. So I'm going to go for KidCareYT. Okay, and then you enter your email address, your full name. Let's go for KidCares. You want to ensure you're putting space because it's a full name. Okay, so you need to put space. Don't just write them together. So I'm going to say KidCareYT or KidCares YouTube. Okay, and then password. Okay, and then you click on create account. Okay, create account, and then immediately after you create an account, as you can see, that's the basic, very easy to register. Okay, so as you can see right now, they are asking me, okay, it's looking like, okay, I want to sell a product, or probably I want to show the world I have a course, I want to sell the course, or I want to sell a digital product, whichever. So this is the reason why I'm saying you should at least have a Selar account before you move on into the affiliate, becoming an affiliate. Okay, so first things first, as you can see, we are done with this. Okay, we have our account already, very easy to do. Okay, as you can see, we have the dashboard. You just want to click over here, you can see your dashboard, your purchases. Okay, let's say now you want to start selling. Okay, yes, you're an affiliate marketer, but you still want to sell. Through this method, you can actually start selling. Just click on start selling. Okay, and then you fill in your details, fill in your account number. Okay, and okay, so I'm just going to click on Nigeria. Let's say my bank is GT. I'm going to go for GT Bank. Okay, so I'm going to go for GT Bank, and then I'm going to enter my account number. Okay, and then you verify account details. Okay, then continue. Okay, this, can you see right now, we're now here in the main Selar page, just in case you want to sell the product at any time aside you becoming an affiliate marketer. This is very important. So now, in order for you to add your product, you just want to click on add product here, and then you fill in your details depending on the product. It's very easy. You can see we have a physical product, maybe you are selling electronics, appliances, a digital product, maybe something that you need to download, probably an ebook, etc. Probably you want to sell a ticket, maybe for a movie or workshop, subscription, and the rest. Services, you want to render services, maybe graphic design services, you want to sell your course, and so many other offers you can do. That's the major reason why I said you should create your Selar account. It's very important. Don't just hop into becoming an affiliate. Okay, so now we are going to move into the next, which is, now I'm going to teach you guys how to become an affiliate. Okay, how to become an affiliate marketer. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link also in the description below for this. Okay, so now what you want to do immediately in this page is to click on become an affiliate. Okay, you want to click on become an affiliate, and yes, you would need to pay a sum of 2,000 naira per year. Okay, it's actually less than what you can actually earn, so it's not a big deal. You just want to pay 2,000. Okay, so you're going to click on get started, and then immediately you click on get started, you're going to click on pay now. Okay, you want to pay. Okay, so you're going to pay. They are going to redirect you to Flutterwave where you pay. How do you want to pay? Is it with card and the rest? So let's say I want to pay with card. So I'm just going to input my card details. Okay, I'm going to input my months. I'm going to input my CVV. Then click on pay 2,000 naira. Okay, this 2,000 naira is actually small compared to what you'll be earning, because when you start showing people's product, you're not even the one creating those products, creating those courses. You're basically just sharing links, and then as people are clicking on this, you're earning and earning. You're going to earn way more than this 2,000 naira you're actually paying for per year. Okay, so I'm just going to switch into one of my accounts that I already have, my affiliate account, so you can actually see this. I can't just pay for a bot account. Okay, so I'm going to switch into my account right now. So I'm logging now into my main account. Okay, so as you can see, I'm inside my main account. Okay, so immediately after you pay, you make your payment, seller are going to send you an email. Okay, so you just want to go to that email in your inbox, and then you're going to see get started, join the affiliate network right now, the affiliate marketplace. So immediately you click on that marketplace, immediately you make your payment, they send you the mail, you click on join that marketplace, you'll be taken to the marketplace immediately from your mail. Okay, and if you actually don't want to do it from your mail, you can just come to the seller affiliate network again, which the link is in the description, and then you'll be brought to this page. Okay, so guys, as you can see right now, we can only those that affiliate can have access to this page of seller. As you can see right now, I'm seeing so many products. We have soup, a star. Okay, this person is doing this person did a cookbook, okay, on cooking Nigerian delicacies, soups and the rest. Okay, this person did payer business school. Okay, lead magnet secrets, hot products. Okay, this is Upwork mastermind. Okay, and then we have so many products, and in case you're looking for categories of products, just want to scroll down. As you can see, we have wealth and finance, business, content and media. I'm just going to click on this just to show you guys. So the basic thing you want to do right now is, when you are when you've registered, you paid your money, and now you want to start earning. Okay, what you want to do is to look for products in this marketplace that that people are actually looking for. Probably your friends, your family members will be interested in them. So you just want to come over here. As you can see, we have get link at the end of each of these products. We have get link, right? And now you can see this commission they wrote. This is actually the amount of money you earn. Okay, the amount of money you earn as an affiliate. Probably you share this link and someone actually buys it, so you'll be earning 30% of this amount of money. You'll be earning 30% of 16,000. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So you just want to click on get link. Okay, click on get link, and then seller will process your link for you. So this is your affiliate link. This is the link that immediately anyone clicks on through, you'll be earning your money. So that's basically how it works. So you just want to copy this, and then you can go to Facebook, you can go to WhatsApp, just keep advertising, look for something people want. Very important. Look for something even without you telling someone to come and buy it. They're already looking for how to buy that thing. Okay, that's just the strategy. And then you copy your link and send it to them. So immediately they buy this, product or course or whichever, you get your commission. So that's basically how it works on Seller. And Seller is actually rising. It is in a stage of rising. So you don't want to let this opportunity to just go like that. Okay. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Very important, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be uploading mad crazy contents that are very educative, content that can make you money online that you are not even aware of. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Take care for now.